Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial of the new sign ordering system from SignDrop. The new system can be found at this address. It's signdrop.signtraker.com, and you'll receive an email with this address and a temporary password to log in. I'm going to log in as a fictitious agent here, Sarah agent, and what we're going to see here is the basics of your new system when you log in. You'll see some help prompts up in the upper right based on the different screens you might be accessing, and a variety of new features that you can explore over time. But to get to the basics right away, how to order a new sign installation, simply hover over this button and click on it. Once you're on the screen, you'll have the opportunity to enter details about the installation. As a minimum, you're going to need the address, you're going to need the date that you want the installation to occur, what type of post you want if there's more than one option available, and the post sign arrangement. So let's go ahead and enter in our address. It's going to be 6500, and this is going to be Client Trail, and you see we got a little look ahead. It's given us a few options that we can choose from. That's the one we want. We're going to choose that. If you want to confirm we're in the right spot, we can do a quick street view of that location. We happen to know it's a Home Depot, and sure it is, so that's a great example. And then we're going to pick our available dates here, and today being the 29th in real time, we have a 2-day lead time, so we're going to choose the first available. And we're going to go with the conventional post, and we're going to choose our panel. So select the main panel button, and SignTraker will present to you the panels that you have in inventory, either ones that you own personally or part of your office, or whatever's available to you will be shown here. So we'll select this one, for example. If we want to add a top rider, same idea. It's going to give us a rundown of what's available in our inventory, or what otherwise might be available through our management or office. So we'll select this. And so we have the minimum, we got our address, our date, what post we want, the arrangement. We can select other options potentially. If we want to know the price, we can take a look down here, see that detail. Once we have all that together, we can go ahead and confirm the order. We'll get our order confirmation, messages from our sponsors, if any, and our order is now complete. So that's how easy it is to order through new signs through SignTraker. Sign removals will be just as easy. Select the removal button, select from available installations. If you need another service, you can click this button, order rider swaps, services like post repairs and things of that nature. And if there's anything else that you need, please feel welcome to contact our office here at SignDrop. Again, thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy the new service.